Hi everyone, this is Brandon, and as I promised in my last video, I was going to give a more technical overview of how this whole macro system works. Basically, there's three components. There's a speech recognition engine, which in my case is Dragon Naturally Speaking. Then there's NatLink, which is an interface between Dragon Naturally Speaking and Dragonfly. Basically, NatLink takes in output from Dragon Naturally Speaking and converts into something that Python can use or that you can use in a Python environment. And Dragonfly is a library of Python functions and classes that you can use for creating grammars and macros and all kinds of interesting things. There's also a alternative setup that you can use. You can use Windows Speech Recognition instead of Dragon Naturally Speaking. So basically, you can do Windows Speech Recognition, and that's enough to act. You wouldn't need NatLink because it could go directly to Dragonfly because Dragonfly can communicate directly with that. After you set all that up, there is the NatLink folder which is installed. As I'm showing you here, I have all these grammars that I created: the C++ grammar, C# grammar, HTML, Java, JavaScript, PHP, and Python. And I'm going to show you the Java grammar. So here, I'm going to close the script down there. So I'm going to pull that up. And so it looks a little bit confusing here, but you can see on top it says from Dragonfly, and a bunch of stuff is imported. So that's the Dragonfly library. And I created a bunch of classes down here which inherit from some of these main classes in the Dragonfly library. So this Java enabler is a command. When you say enable Java, it enables this grammar and makes a bunch of commands down here available. So when you speak something, or when you speak the commands, these commands work. But and then we have the Java enabler or Java disabler. So which basically this disables the grammars down here, and of course down here we have all the rest of the actual meat of the grammar, and all these classes are all tied together in a variable called Java grammar, and that grammar can be enabled or disabled pretty easily. And so one of the cool classes I create is Java control structures. So when you say code block, it creates a block of curly braces. If you say if, it creates an if statement. You say if else, it does if else. And you have else if, while loop, and a bunch of other stuff here. These can be all easily modified, and when I release these scripts out to everyone else out there, people can customize these to their own liking. And there's all these other things for different logical commands and all that are pretty useful. And anyways, that should conclude the video. I hope you enjoyed it.